Joshua Patch in the 93 on the left of your screen. Here we go then, round 3, the final, sorry, for Whilton Mill. Round 6 is go. Very even start from the front row. Away goes Morgan Hill. He takes the lead early on here ahead of Joshua Patch. Looks like Bobby Rosier's had a good start as well in the black and yellow car, the number 49. He's got up to 3rd as they all file through Christmas for the first time. Even start there from the front row. And Bobby Rosier going for 2nd place, is he? Down the inside? No, thinks better off it. Sticks there in 3rd. Coming through there is the number 11 of Spencer Brougham. So he's not had a good start. He's lost a couple of positions there as the number 12 of Lewis ISLIN's coming round the outside. Great first lap from ISLIN. I think he's up to 3rd place, is he not? Yes, he is. As they're 3 wide almost through the entry to the boots. Warning for Bobby Rosier, the number 49, as they go over start finish. Morgan Hill leads in the final in Honda Cadets, the number 22. Joshua Patch is there in 2nd place. They are clear of the rest of the field. Lewis ISLIN and Bobby Rosier 3rd and 4th. Joe Cheek has got up to 5th place as well. Who else made good progress on that first lap? Devon Nolan made good progress. Up 3 positions to 9th place. Filing through. Looks like we've only got 30 cars running into that road. Hasn't taken to the circuit for this race. And Ryutaro Sakai going through there. Sakai on the move in the 44. Past MACANDREW-UREN there. And up into 7th place. 8 minutes to go. Basically, a situation where it's a sprint heat from now on in. Brougham up to 5th place on that last lap. Ahead of Joe Cheek. He's already caught up to the back of Bobby Rosier there in 4th place, and Lewis is just ahead in 3rd. Morgan Hill still leading this race though by half a second almost ahead of Joshua Patch. Not a good last lap for Zain KHAN. 45 positions. He's now down to 15th place. Really good start for Kenzo CRAIGIE. Up the inside goes Bobby Rosier. Has a little look at Lewis ISLIN. This might be the chance for Brougham to have a little look here at Bobby Rosier and potentially take 4th, and he does. Calm driving there from Spencer in the number 11. Needs to work hard here to at least get back onto the podium. He's got to get past Lewis ISLIN if he wants that trophy here today. More changes in the midfield. Zain KHAN back up 2 positions to 13th. Jack Stewart falls 2 positions to 5th. Thomas Behrman in the middle of it. Kenzo CRAIGIE is doing really well. Up to P16 overall. Miles ahead of the rest of the novices here. Still the number 22, just pacing here at the front of this field. Morgan Hill starting to edge away, almost, in fact, no, over a 10th quicker than Joshua Patch. As what's happened here, this is 2 of the novices, the 24 and the 26 are off at turn 1. The 24 being Max Cuthbert, the 26 being Harrison Zamani, and unfortunately it looks like Max Cuthbert may be out, or he's getting back in the car now. Try and get going again in a moment. There's 6 1/4 minutes to go. Morgan Hill's lead is now 0.95 of a second. He's breaking clear here. He's breaking well clear of Joshua Patch. And here comes Sakai. Sakai having a look. The number 54 has a move. That's Devon Nolan going past Aston MACANDREW-UREN. Over 8th place. Sakai's back up to 7th place. Warning comes in from number 47 of Zain KHAN. Moment. These guys need to get themselves organised and get a catch Morgan Hill, because Morgan Hill can take this race away from a little tap there from Joshua Patch. The trouble is though, I don't think Joshua Patch has the pace to reel Morgan Hill back in. Imagine Brougham going through here and trying to chase Morgan Hill down himself. No confirmed his through into 8th place. More moves in the midfield. Zain KHAN going up and down like a yo-yo. Here comes Brougham up the inside of Joshua Patch and takes second place. Had to do that move, has to test himself to see if he has the pace to catch Morgan Hill. 5 minutes remaining, plenty of time. But as we mentioned, Karts now back down to 16th place, loses 2 positions on that last lap to Brooke Lees and Jack Stewart. What kind of day he would have been expecting. Go through. Brookham was quicker. Okay, 1.25 seconds was the gap between Hill and Brookham at the end of lap 6. Almost 2/10 quicker on that last lap was the number 11.22. And another 10th again in the first sector. Not watched Honda Cadet Racing. Very much be like this. It's all about momentum. Especially if you can get a little bit of help from some friends behind, willing to push you along to raise the stakes of a potential win. Get a bit of a train going here, almost a bit like a peloton or a cycle, road cycle racing. Got thousands, isn't it? But do so, can do so. Pack of carts or a pack of riders will always work better than a single rider out on the road, particularly when they start picking up traffic. Now, will that be a big moment in this race? The gap is down to 1.09 at the last count, and Lewis ISLIN has just gone past Joshua Patch. That's over third place. 3 minutes to go then. And Brookham took, what was that, about 3 or 4 tenths out on the last lap. Aston MACANDREW-UREN going up the inside of another driver. I think that's Ryutaro SAKAI. Yeah, MACANDREW-UREN. Look at that move from Devon NOLAN on the inside there. Very positive move there. SAKAI back up the inside of MACANDREW-UREN. And the lead gap is down to 4/10 of a second. So it's been great work from Spencer Brookham, who's got a brilliant chance here of taking this win. The 35 up to the inside of the 33. House and Crowther on the inside of Aston MACANDREW-UREN takes 9th place away from the driver of the 33. Minutes to go. Can Morgan Hill hold on to this victory? Oh, he is responding. Good first sector there. 17.67. Loses it a little bit in the second sector. This could be another bit of a cat and mouse game between these top two. Of course, that the momentum. Don't want to back in too soon. Second place still a good result for Morgan Hill. Similarly for Spencer Brookham doesn't want to win this race. Not this race, second will do it. Doesn't want to it's finishing at 6th, 7th, 8th. Some scrapping is the likes of ISLIN and Cheek RHP back into potential for this win. This race just bubbling away at the moment, this cadet on cadet final. 60 seconds to go, almost. Just holding position. Just isolating ball. Great tactics. ISLIN and Cheek RHP at the moment aren't getting a look. The gap is going out. We're about 50 seconds, I reckon, on the clock, so there should be 2 more laps. Oh, 2 carts together. It's 2 novices, and that's a scary moment there. The number 24 driver out of the kart really wants to get back in, I'd say. It's Max Cuthbert. And look how much the other kart was. It was Lucy Whilton. In the number 99. It is okay there. Jump back in the kart. 10.02 by Marshall now. And change for the lead. Rougham has got through. Rougham has got through past Hill as they go on to the last lap now. Now, was the move made too soon? Because now Rougham is going to have to defend from Hill, because Hill will go back for the move. And will this encourage the other drivers to come into the battle here? Lewis ISLIN is not too far behind. There's traffic up ahead as well. The 93 and the 72 are going at it. That's Joshua Patch and Joe Cheek over 4th place. It's going to be hard work now for Rougham as he can see a route now to the end of the race. There's a back marker ahead as well. Blue flags for the number 78, which is Jaden Haynes. Will he get out of the way? Oh no, he's been blocked a little bit as the leader. And this could be a chance for Morgan Hill, who gets a bit of a push there. Gives a push to the leader. Almost out of respect. And the back marker's still slightly getting in the way. But can Spencer Brookham hold on here for a great victory? His second final victory of the year, round the final corner. Here comes number 11. Spencer Brookham takes the win here at Whilton Mill in round 6 in Honda Cadet. Really assured drive. That was not easy at all. But he kept a cool head on young shoulders and wins by 0.06 of a second ahead of Morgan Hill.